Transform your system to Azurion with Philips SmartPath Catalyst. Catalyst lets you harness the benefits of this advanced platform in a highly efficient way. We retain certain elements of your system and room rather than replacing your lab from the ground up. In other words, we help you retain to gain. Typically, it is possible to reuse multiple elements of your existing Philips solution. These include the stand rails, the MRC X-ray tube, and the floor plate. What's more, we can reuse all mechanical interfaces like medical gas connections, power sockets, and cable ducts. This doesn't just save installation time and costly construction work. It also lessens the impact on nearby rooms. And because the room infrastructure is retained, you are able to meet building code requirements with little, if any, additional effort. Finally, by continuing to use a Philips system, you retain familiar workflows and user interfaces. Less time and effort is needed to train your staff, so you can immediately benefit from the workflow improvements that Azurion brings. And with Catalyst, you will gain access to the very latest interventional tools. Join the Philips SmartPath Catalyst program and enjoy the benefits. Innovation and you, Philips.